Today we are gathered here to observe the 63rd Uprising Day of Tibet. So we are commemorating and we are extending our solidarity and support to the Tibetan brothers and sisters who are still suffering under the brutal Chinese rule. Meanwhile, we also condemn the repressive policy of so-called People's Republic of China in Tibet, and we also reassure our commitment to fight for Tibet independence, to fight for our struggle. Since the Chinese illegal occupation of Tibet in 1959, so there is a continuous torture, illegal destruction, environment destruction inside Tibet. Tibetan inside Tibet don't have a right to express their view. Tibetan inside Tibet don't even have a right to display the portrait of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. So after losing the country, His Holiness the Dalai Lama seek refuge in India, there is a partition of Tibetan outside and inside. So the situation inside Tibet is very critical. Majority, 99.8% of Tibetans are still inside the Chinese repressive rule. They are still inside Tibet. But they are having a very courage, they are very determined to fight for their right. From a time and again, they organize different protest campaign. Since 2009 till now, more than 168 Tibetans have burned themselves for the just cause of Tibet. So Tibetan resistance movement is carried out not only in India and across the world, but also is alive, and the spark of Tibetan resistance is still alive inside Tibet. From this gathering also, I have made the public the kind of announcement. So we are very much thankful for the government of people of India for the solidarity and support. But for the government of India as a leading democratic nation, have a responsibility to look after a depressed and suppressed nation like Tibet. Not only that, Tibet independent and Tibet national security is directly related with India's security. So we urge government of India to have more concrete national policy to make China accountable.